Hi everyone, welcome to Max Laser's YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed how to print a QR code on your Bentsai B2 Lite Handheld Inkjet printer. Today I'm going to show you how to print a barcode on your unit. Let's go. The first thing that you're going to do is switch on your unit. You'll see the red light turns green. On the top left of your screen, you'll see Edit. Click on Edit. Here you'll see the different options that you have: text, QR code, barcode, and more. Today we're doing barcode. Here you can put in your string number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press Confirm. Here you can adjust your width and your height. So for example, let's make the height 10. And then here, let's leave that there, confirm, and you are ready to print. And that's it for today. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to write customized text on your unit. See you there.